What's up, YouTube? We back. About to do this Telluride, man. This week has been crazy. I got jobs that I need to do versus wanting to go RC racing, watching RC racing because the pros in town. They got the classic going on this weekend. I need to go watch cars down there. So, and then I got all these obligations here in Gainesville to do as well. So, this one of my customers that she actually uses me every week. It's a $90 job, so it's like super easy. I did miss it last week because we had a hurricane, but we're gonna get it going. And like I say, I'm just balls to the wall. I gotta go to the dentist right after this at 3, so we're gonna try to get it in. I have been working today. Missed a little bit of footage earlier because I was just on the move trying to get stuff done. So I try to at least push out one car a day to y'all, show y'all what it's looking like, and we're gonna go from there. But let me take y'all around this thing and show you how it is in its current state, and we're gonna knock it out. So on the outside, as you can see, we got some bugs and whatnot. On the exterior, oh man, what's up?
That's a YouTube account?
Oh, of course. Yep.
All right, put you in.
What you
start
got?
my YouTube stuff too.
What you got going on?
Well, I just started like 2 days ago. I ain't put none on it yet.
That's what's up. Let's see. Internet. Nope, that ain't popping up. Carwash. It should pop it up. Right up. Alright. Appreciate you.
No
Yeah,
problem.
man. Good to see you. Yeah. Got people running up on me getting the YouTube account. So, hey, man. But, okay. This the outside. And, take you on the inside. Show you what it's looking like. Y'all can see the dirt. Y'all can see in the back it's fairly clean, which is always what makes me happy, because really and truly, with it being like an every week customer, all I really have to do is just make sure it's washed good. Now, she does have this dog, so this situation is definitely going on in the back. So you got some dog hair right there, and then right there in the window you can see where the dog done rubbed his nose and stuff on it and whatnot. So we gonna get all that cleaned up, pull the mats on up out of here, and get it going. So same thing right here, it's pretty clean. And let's see what we got going on right here. So it's a little dirty. I ain't complaining seeing that it done went through a hurricane, but we gonna get it all knocked out and keep it going, man. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? We back. Got the Telluride all nice and shining. I'm gonna take y'all around and show y'all how it came out. You know, it's another great wooden edge car wash, so let's check it out. Got them wheels shining a lot better than what they was. All the dirt and stuff off the side of the panels. Let's go ahead and open it up. Y'all can see there's no more dirt on the floors. Everything's looking good. Let's take a look at this back. The back was the worst, I would say, with all the dog hair and dog slobber. So, yep. Got that looking good. Same with this side, and yeah. Another trouble area that's all clean. So that's it, y'all. Take a look at the front end. Looking great. So all right, there you have it, man. Another great wooden edge car wash detail. We're gonna shut it down for now. I got to go to the dentist, and then I got maybe like one after the dentist, but we're gonna see how it go. Let's go.